years ago, an event was set in motion that would change the course of summer forever. Eventually, this event would reach critical mass. That eventually has arrived. This summer.
It's predicted across the summer. Experts are calling this phenomena the Big Bang.
Radio on Fox Cricket. Take cover.
Can you explain what internet is?
Netscape has 90% of the browser market.
No! Salon is #1 in internet broadcasting. You need to join theglobe.com. People will want to log on, I guarantee.
This is the beginning of what they call the browser wars.
Valley of the Boom, Tuesdays at 8:30 on National Geographic.
This is Sky News Weather. Online at skyweather.com.au.
Yesterday, New South Wales was smashed once again with big hail in quite a few spots. As you can see behind me, plenty of hail in Goulburn during the early afternoon. We saw big temperature drops as thunderstorms came through as well. Look at the hail on the ground here in Mount Victoria. So through the Blue Mountains, there were quite a few spots that saw hail as well. And looking a little bit further west, elsewhere on the Central Tablelands, we saw some pretty substantial falls as well around Bathurst and also Orange, 8 millimetres in 10 minutes there. In terms of some of the other statistics, you can see the hail, 4 centimetres at Yass, Goulburn, 26 millimetres in just half an hour, 107 kilometre wind gust for Cobar, and Holder and Duffy saw some golf ball sized hail as well. Here's the radar. You can see a lot of rain, heavy thunderstorms, particularly for the Central Tablelands. At ease back, we just saw lighter falls through the Sydney Basin, not too much there, but some heavy falls through parts of the southern parts of the mid-north coast there. But as you can see, by the time we got to 6 a.m, at the moment, there's not really all that much on the radar at all. It's all cleared off for the time being. We will see a couple of showers and thunderstorms into the afternoon, mainly along the ranges, especially for the northern ranges in New South Wales, but definitely nothing compared to yesterday. I doubt we're going to see any severe thunderstorms today. Maybe 1 or 2 at the very most, but probably not. It looks like a much calmer day for New South Wales, just a hotter day, unfortunately, for anybody who doesn't like that summer-like heat. It is definitely returning in New South Wales at this point in time. This is what it's been looking like in Queensland. We've had rushing rivers due to the heavy rain we have seen with ex-tropical cyclone Penny moving through, but that system is no longer around. You can see just a few showers for the northern tropics of Queensland, a few showers and storms through parts of the Gulf, and nothing all that spectacular at the moment, but we do still have a moderate flood warning for the Connors and Isaacs River in Yatton. In terms of what's to come today, a few showers still lingering through tropical parts of Queensland, not as significant as it has been. Notice around the Gulf and through the NT top end though, that's starting to ramp up. We're going to see further showers and thunderstorms in these areas. Darwin should escape it today, but anywhere further east than that, we're going to see showers and storms increasing compared to previous days, and Darwin, it looks like you will see your showers and storms picking up on Sunday in particular. In terms of those temperatures at the moment, it's pretty warm across the north of the country and through the centre. It's been a warm night in Adelaide, 23 degrees. But let's have a look at what that cool change is doing. So it's going to be moving through Adelaide today, only a top of 32 degrees today. That's cooler than yesterday. Notice the northerly wind spreading over northern parts of Victoria and through western parts of New South Wales, and that heat indicating mid to high 30s and even pushing into the 40s in a few areas in that region. But the southerly winds will protect Melbourne, and a cooler change moving through Hobart as well today. So not too cool, not too hot, sorry, for the far south of the country, but it is going to be heating up through New South Wales today. Notice that northerly airstream there. The sea breeze is keeping the city a bit cooler and the beaches cooler than the inland, but still pretty hot and humid through New South Wales today.